before we start, I can be honest, right, with these answers?
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay, just want to be sure 100%.
Yeah, I'm Jordan.
It's Jack White.
Brandon Cespedes.
Anthony Pegues.
I did the UX Design Immersive.
I took a boot camp here at General Assembly.
The course that I took at General Assembly was UX design, and it's a full-time immersive program.
I took the web development immersive course in 2017. Well, now I currently work as a back-end engineer for a company called Shutterstock.
Before GA, I was applying to jobs. I applied like at least 200 applications, and then I realized at that time I should stop applying to jobs because it's been a struggle for me. So what I did was I talked to my mentor. My mentor went through General Assembly in his past experience. He told me about it, and that's where I was like, make a decision, either go back to college or take this boot camp at General Assembly.
You know, I started off clueless. I'd never even written a research report before I came to GA, and I'm now a fully fluent UX designer.
It's cool because my affiliation with General Assembly has allowed me to connect with a bunch of other, students and people who have came through General Assembly. A lot of people reach out to me on LinkedIn and constantly connect, and I've met a lot of people after the program.
Nothing in life you're gonna get that you want is going to be easy. So I said to myself, you gotta just go ahead and do it. Just dive right in and make sure that you have the skills rather than spend 8 months doing it at home by myself. No one's really accounting for me. So you come into this course, it's structured, it's putting you on a path where it's quick and you're going to have these skills taught to you within a short period of time. One of the reasons why I did the immersive. And I learned a lot, and I couldn't have said that if I just did it at home by myself.